Hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and for today I will share my verdict or feedback with regards to YKYW cycling bib. Okay, this is the new model and they are claiming that this one is good for 6 hours of riding. Okay, anyway, going back, we had 2 hours and 38 minutes of riding time and almost 60 kilometers. And here's my feedback or verdict. First few hours of the ride, I feeling uneasy ako and may pagka slight ng difficulty of breathing kasi parang may backpack na dala because of the bib, and kalaunan ay nawala naman. And second ay um, masakit siya sa puwet. Second ay parang almost same lang sila ng quality ng Rockbrew Cycling na shorts. Siguro mas comfortable lang ng konti yung YKYW Cycling bib. And yung advantage nito ay na-appreciate ko na hindi ko na ina-adjust yung foam or cushion ng sa may puwet na area kasi nga because of the cycling bib, stable na siya. Okay, anyway, yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe.